operational Senate starting tomorrow?
I hope so. Siguro naman, most of the senators sa minority, I know for a fact that some of them are decent, level-minded senators. So they'll come to the senses na kaya makamubo na rin tayo, alang-alang sa taong bayan, magtrabaho na. Ngayon, yung mga ayaw magtrabaho, nasa kanila na yun.
Hindi kayo mag-reach out sa kanila?
Of course, dapat kami. Mag-reach out kami majority. We will reach out to them. I'm sorry? That I don't know. Maybe they're trying to lick their wounds. I don't know. I mean, well, ginagawa naman talaga yan. And then, recover sila. And this is my message doon sa mga minority. Mga boss, kalimutan natin yung mga nangyayari, mga nasabi, mga nagawa. Tapos na yun, support lang. Magtrabaho lang tayo.
Sir, papayag ba kayo na nasa inyong leadership pero kanila daw ang Blue Ribbon Committee? According to Senator.
Hindi pwede kasi kanina yung nagbago ng ano.
Pero sir, matatagdagan pa ba si Senator Joel yung sunod pa?
I don't think so. Bagay ko. My search.
Okay, sir. Thank you.